Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set B5 GIS paper size in Excel. So you can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to click on here page layout, just click on it, size, and scroll down and you see here this B5 GIS, this paper size, and you can see the size 7.17 by 10.12. So this is the paper size. So you can set manually by clicking more paper size, and here you can set it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set B5 GIS paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.